Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a Canva slide on loop. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to add all of the pages of the presentation. So here you can see that I have added 10 pages. And now you can set duration for each page at the top. So you'll be able to see the time duration at the top bar. So you can click on edit timing and you can select the timing. The ideal timing is between 2 seconds to 5 seconds. You can also apply to all pages directly by toggling this button on. Now you can select all of the elements along the page to add various animations. So you can click on animate over here at the top and you can see rise, pan, fade. So I'm going to click on rise and then I'm going to move to the second slide and select all of the elements on this page as well. And let's make it fade. And in order to check your slides after doing on all of the slides, you can click on present here at the top. And now you can see a complete presentation view. You can go back to the second slide and you can see now your animations have been applied. So you can continue doing so for each slide on the page. And once done, you can click on share, click on download over here and make sure that you have selected PPTX over here and then click on download. So that's the end of today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.